Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Rashid, and today I will tell you that how you can use tables in Microsoft Word 2013. So I will tell you that how you can draw the table, how you can edit the table, how you can format with different colors and different formats for a table. So you need to just follow me. Firstly, if you have to insert any table, you just need to go in insert. From here you can select a table, right? This is one by one, that there is one row and one column. There is one row, two column, one row, three column, two row, three column. So from here you can make any table according to your requirement, if I select that table, right? So you can change the width of the table, right? And if you want to add any row, then you have to just go here, and when there is sign of plus, you need to just click on plus plus plus, and we are adding some rows. So if you want to add any column, you just need to go here, and when the sign of plus pop up, you just need to click on. So there will there will be column added in the table. So this is the way by which you can add column and rows, and from here I can select the table, and you can choose different formats from here. You can add anything here, like I'm going to add cell number and address. Can give the different shades to the table. From here you can edit the border styles. I will just double click on it. Double click on it, and I will add here here. Okay. Now you can see that here I updated. You can add any style to your border from these formats. Okay, these are the styles. You need to just border inside all boxes inside. Okay, from here you can select any, and the other thing, that is, you can draw a table as well. I just need to and insert a table. From here you can insert a table, like you just need to give the number of columns, number of rows, and from here fixed volume width, auto fit to contents, auto fit to window. Okay, and remember, from here you can draw a double X as well. I will just need to by doing this you can also increase the number of rows. So these are the basic tables which we can use for our documentation, for our documents, while we are working in, like, we are working on different projects. So this is the way by which you can use the tables. I hope you get all the things which I have done today. So thank you very much for your time. Thank you. See you.